Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today, well, literally just a few minutes ago, I did a delivery of the new Valve Index. So I was going to open up the box in front of everybody. There's a kind of unboxing video, just my thoughts on this in comparison to I had the Vive when it very first came out, and then upgraded to the Vive Pro headset only. So this is going to be my review and my sort of thoughts based on this. Now, I've been waiting for a long time for these puppies to get in my possession. They look absolutely amazing. You saw they're just one-handed. I just kind of put them on. I haven't pulled up the strap, but that's kind of just sticks on there straight away without really pulling those up. So they look really cool. So the packaging, very nice. Quite a lot smaller than the original Vive packaging, which I think is a good thing. It all looks pretty quality. You get this little pack here. Now it's in this. Whoa, loads of booklet setup guides, blah blah blah. Hopefully we won't need that too much. So these got the 2.0 style, which I might possibly end up buying another one of these because I've been waiting for the 2.0s to come out. I didn't upgrade. I didn't want to buy like a whole new setup because I wanted this one, but I'll probably buy another one of these because I have like an odd shaped room that I want to have 3 hopefully in. That will work nicely. So let's get the headset out. Oh, now I've got to say, just initially touching this material, that feels really nice and comfortable. So top head strap, and it's got a big thick cable with just like a single connection on there, which I quite like. Some people like the single cable. I actually quite preferred the triple cable I had on the original Vive. It seemed to twist less. With a single cable I always get sort of really nasty twisting going on when I'm stood up, but there it is. So yeah, this is quite nice and light, although I'm hanging onto the cable there, and looks nice. Right, that's pretty much it in the box. Just the headset. Just put that down there. So these trackers, the knuckles. So I suppose underneath will be, got these fancy tabs here under the box. Then, aha, second layer. It's like the next layer of the chocolate box, isn't it? More goodies below. So, oh, very soft squidgy head cup device there to add on to the back of your headset. We've got these just USB charge cables, I'd imagine, for quite similar to the knuckles. So that's the charge for knuckles, so USB-C. Hopefully that will charge up nice and fast. Got these nice, ooh, interesting mounts. Okay. So you can fit the mounts onto a standard tripod, but the wall mounts, yeah, currently, oh yeah, they've got the little tabs on there. Oh, I see. Right, okay. So you push those little tabs out there. They pop out. They're like little cover caps. So it just looks a little slicker when if you're going to screw that to the wall, which I will do. Then you just got a nice little cover cap. So just nice little details that they've added. What have we got here? So that's for the lighthouses, judging by the image. Cables, more cables. So that's a power cable. Well, that's quite a thick, chunky power connector, and that will go into there. So that's obviously the transformer for lighthouses. Now, I'm hoping they're going to be similar power, so they're not going to cost too much on the old Lecky built. Yeah. It'll be interesting to hear these lighthouses fire up and see how quiet they are. Because I must admit, in a nice quiet office, when you've got these things going, they're a little bit whiny. The ones on the Vive anyway, so we'll be interested to see how those go. Yep, so that's it. So there's no additional power, is there? Hang on a second, for the head unit. Ah, yeah, no, here we go. Missing that. Yeah, so it's the same as the Vive setup. So you got three transformers, one for each one of those. Right, okay. So I'm going to put all this together and then stick it on my old noggin and let's have a look.